everyone. Our topic for today is all about derivative of exponential functions. So first, kailangan nato makabalo kung unsay mga rules ani aron makabalo ta unsaon pag-solve aning derivative of exponential functions. So first, if y equals f of x equals e to the x, where x is a differentiable function, then y prime equals e to the x times dx. So ang pasabot aning first rule, if the derivative of y equals e to the x, then the answer is y prime equals, you copy the exponential form, which is e to the x. Then you multiply the derivative of the exponent, which is the dx. So the second rule, if y equals f of x equals e to the x, which is our e here is a constant, where x is a differentiable function, then the answer y prime equals a to the x times ln a times dx. So ang pasabot diri asa ikaduhang rules is if the derivative of y equals a to the x, so the answer is y prime equals, you copy the exponential form, which is a to the x, then you multiply the ln a, which is our a is a constant, and then we multiply the derivative of our exponent, which is the dx. So that is the rule number 2. So these two rules, we must remember it because kailangan jud din nato pag mag-solve tag derivative of exponential function. So next, examples. Find the derivative of a to the 2x plus 3. So our solution here is, if the derivative of y equals a to the 2x plus 3, so the answer is y prime equals a to the 2x plus 3. So atong rules gaya, rule number 1, ato lang i-copy ang exponential function, which is a to the 2x plus 3, then we multiply the exponent of our given. So the derivative of our exponent, which is 2x plus 3, so the answer is 2. So when we simplify it, when we simplify, our final answer is y prime equals 2a to the 2x plus 3. So, okay, example number 2. Find the derivative of y equals 8 to the 3x plus 4. So, our solution is, if the derivative of y equals 8 to the 3x plus 4, so we must use the rule number 2. So, our rule number 2 is, if y equals a to the x, so our answer is y prime equals a to the x times ln a times the derivative of the exponent, dx. So that is the rule number 2. So mao na atong gamiton ron. So the answer is y prime equals, we copy the exponential form, which is 8 to the 3x plus 4, then we multiply the ln 8, which is our base is 8, then we multiply the derivative of the exponent, which is the answer is 3. So when we simplify it, is our final answer is y prime equals 3 ln 8 times 8 to the 3x plus 4. Okay, example number 3. Find the derivative of y equals x cubed times e to the 4x. So our solution, so as we can see in the given, y equals x cubed times a to the 4x. So kailangan jud ay nato ang makabalo pud tag the different derivative rule. So kani atong gamiton nga derivative rule here para ma-solve is the product rule. So as we remember, the product rule is if the derivative of y equals ab, so the answer is y prime equals a times b prime plus b times a prime. So that is the product rule. So now we can use it to solve the example number 3. So the answer is y prime equals x cubed times the b, which is a to the 4x. This is our a and this is our b. So kaya itong gamiton man ang product rule. So the answer is y prime equals x cubed, which is our a is x cubed times the b prime. So the derivative of b. So the derivative of b, as we all know, the rule number 1 of derivative of exponential function is you copy the exponential form, which is a times 4x, then we multiply the derivative of our exponent, which is 4x. So the derivative of 4x is 4. So that is the x cubed times a to the 4x times 4 plus a. So our b is, so as we all know the product rule, b plus a b prime plus b times a prime. So karon ato na pong i-copy ang b, a to the 4x, then we multiply the a prime, so the derivative of a. So the answer, so the derivative of a is x, which is x cubed, so the answer is 3x squared. So morning derivative sa a, which is x cubed, so the answer is 3x squared. So as we simplify it, so we can have the final answer. So x cubed times a to the 4x times 4, we have 4x cubed times a to the 4x times, plus 3x squared a to the 4x. So that is our final answer. The derivative of y equals x cubed times a to the 4x is y prime equals 4x cubed times a to the 4x plus 3x squared times e to the 4x. So that is the final answer of example number 3.